When you can figure this out, you will start making a lot more money. Your job's going to become a lot more fun. People are going to take you a lot more seriously. You're going to go to bed at night feeling great about your career decision. Here's what you need to figure out. Pushing, not a good idea, okay? Pulling, a great idea. So if you want to truly be successful in sales, you need learn how to stop being pushy and start being pulley, if that even is a word, pulley. Let me give you an example. Here's pushy, okay? Reaching out to somebody, either phone, text, or email, and telling them how awesome your product is, how great your service is, how amazing your new solution is. And if you could have 5 minutes of their time, you'd love to tell them about how you can save them money, save them time, make them money, help make their life better. That's pushy, it's gross, it's disgusting, okay? And even though chances are, because you're on Easton University, you're right, your product, your service, your solution, you can save them money, you can make them money, you can save them time, you can make their life better. Even though that's all true, when we lead with it, it's pushy and it's gross and it's arrogant and it's disgusting and nobody wants to hear it. And it's also what everybody else says. That's being pushy. How do we be pulley? Hey, Derek, man, there is something going on that every owner of a small business is having to deal with. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. That's being pulley. Now Derek is like, that's me. I'm an owner of a small to mid-sized business. I want to know what's going on, right? And then make good on that promise. Pulley is, hey, Billy, I'm not sure if it's for you, but there's a little secret that the top wealth managers and CPAs have been sharing amongst each other that I just wanted to give you a heads up on. That's being pulley. That's pulling people into me, right? And when I lead with your website's screwed up, the offerings that you're giving your financial clients aren't great, the way you're paying for this isn't right, you guys are renting equipment and you're paying way too much, that's being pushy. We got to learn how to be pulley. Let me give you one more example of pushy versus pulley. Pushy, not good. Pushy, hey Dave, I'm just calling to check in. Hey Dave, just wanted to follow up with you, right? That's pushy. Why is that pushy? You're just checking in or following up. No, you're not. You just want their money. Like, I'm sorry, we got to be real here. Nobody's just checking, gosh, I wonder what Dave's doing today. You wonder what the hell's going on with your deal. So you're just checking in and following up. It comes across to the other person is pushy. This comes across to the other person as pulley. Hey, Dave, Matt Easton over here at Easton University, calling to see if it makes sense to get your people access to the learning portal so we can help take top line revenue there from that 17 million that you guys did last year to well over 23 million. Why am I pulling him in? Because I'm doing the so you can or so we can. I'm letting him know his current situation, and I'm letting him know where he told me out of this general area of his face where he wants to be. That's pulley. That's pulling him in. But if I'm just checking in, I'm just following up, unless he is ready to go, he's not even going to respond to my email, my text, or my call. You guys have to learn the difference between being pushy and being pulley, okay? When we can learn how to pull people in, our job becomes a lot easier, our job becomes a lot more fun, people treat us with a lot more respect, and we have a lot more conversations, okay? Being pushy, we might as well just lay down, unplug the laptop, and turn everything over to ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, because that can be pushy all day, every day, okay? Humans want to do business with other humans. Humans like humans that draw them in. Humans don't like other humans that are pushy, right? So let's focus. Let's make sure we're slowing down and focusing on the differences. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.